No, this action of the government has only increased the curiosity of the people. Particularly, the people outside India are definitely seeing it in a greater number. And in India also, we see it in the streets, in the university campuses, it is being exhibited. So I think the measure is counterproductive. They have given wider publicity to BBC documentary. India is claiming global leadership, having taken over as the presiding nation of G20. It should have exhibited a greater magnanimity to throw open itself and take the questions head on and answer them. Instead of that, you can't bury them in the carpet. That's a very bad development. The government should immediately roll back the ban that is now imposed on BBC documentary on Modi ji, and they should answer the questions that are raised by the documentary. That should not be hidden. There should be no hiding of the facts. They should come out with the facts. They should come out with the details as to why what is published is not either trustworthy or not truthful, whatever defense they have, they should give it. And BBC to term it as a propaganda material. Why should BBC indulge in any kind of propaganda? It is not contesting elections. Why should it indulge in propaganda? And what kind of hatred does it have against Modi ji? Therefore, that should not be the position. It's a confidence building measure. Government should immediately roll back its ban, throw open its authorities to take the questions head on and address the issues.